Hello and welcome back to my channel, Iraqi Dinar Reshape, Iraq's Financial Advancements, and the future of the Iraqi dinar. Iraq is experiencing a period of significant economic and financial transformation, with developments that could impact both its domestic economy and global financial markets. Investors, policymakers, and those with an interest in Iraq's financial trajectory are closely monitoring these changes, particularly concerning the Iraqi dinar and the nation's evolving economic policies. In recent months, discussions surrounding the potential revaluation of the Iraqi dinar, the country's increasing gold reserves, and the integration of Iraq's banking system with global financial networks have gained momentum. Additionally, there have been important updates from the Kurdistan region, including the reopening of the oil export pipeline, which could have major implications for Iraq's economic stability. These advancements, along with ongoing speculation about a potential transition to a digital currency, make this an important time to stay informed about Iraq's financial future. This article explores these key developments, examining their potential implications for Iraq's economy, the value of the Iraqi dinar, and international investors who hold the currency, Iraq's economic progress, and the role of the Iraqi dinar. The Iraqi dinar has been a subject of intense speculation for years, with many investors hoping for a revaluation that would significantly increase its value. While no official confirmation has been made regarding such a move, the recent financial progress in Iraq suggests that the country is working towards strengthening its currency and improving its overall financial stability. One of the biggest topics of discussion recently has been the possibility of Iraq transitioning to a digital dinar. Some financial experts believe that Iraq could eventually introduce a digital currency to enhance transaction efficiency, improve financial transparency, and combat corruption. However, at this stage, there is no concrete confirmation from the Iraqi government regarding a full-scale shift to a digital dinar. For those who hold physical Iraqi dinars outside of Iraq, the potential introduction of a digital currency raises questions about how such a transition might affect them. Would the government allow foreign holders to exchange physical dinars for digital ones at the same rate? Would there be geographic restrictions? These uncertainties remain unanswered, making it essential for investors to stay informed as new policies emerge. The possibility of a dinar revaluation. One of the most pressing questions among investors is whether the Iraqi dinar will undergo a revaluation (RV). A revaluation would involve a significant increase in the currency's value relative to other currencies, which could have major economic implications. While some have speculated that a revaluation could occur during Ramadan, historical examples do not support this theory. For instance, Kuwait's currency revaluation in 2006 did not coincide with Ramadan. Given the religious and cultural significance of the month, it is unlikely that Iraq would choose this period for such a significant financial policy change. It is important to recognize that currency revaluations are influenced by a complex mix of economic, political, and geopolitical factors. While Iraq has made significant progress in strengthening its financial system, a dinar revaluation is not solely dependent on positive economic indicators. The decision would need to align with broader monetary policy considerations and international agreements. That being said, Iraq's financial advancements suggest that the country is taking steps to improve the strength and stability of its currency. If Iraq continues to modernize its banking system, increase its foreign reserves, and attract international investment, the value of the Iraqi dinar could gradually strengthen over time. Kurdistan's oil exports and economic implications. A major development that could influence Iraq's financial landscape is the reopening of the Kurdistan oil export pipeline. The pipeline, which had been closed for several months, is now reportedly operational again. This is a critical development for Iraq's economy, as oil exports are a major source of revenue for the country. The resumption of oil exports from Kurdistan could help boost Iraq's foreign currency reserves, stabilize government finances, and support broader economic growth. This is particularly significant as Iraq continues to work toward diversifying its economy and strengthening its financial position on the global stage. With renewed oil exports, Iraq could see an increase in government revenue, which may, in turn, impact economic policies related to the dinar. However, the full extent of these effects will depend on how oil production levels evolve and how global oil prices fluctuate in the coming months. Iraq's integration into the global financial system. A significant milestone in Iraq's economic modernization is the integration of its banking and electronic payment systems into global financial networks. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has been actively working to improve Iraq's banking infrastructure, making financial transactions more efficient and accessible. For the first time, foreign bank cards are now being accepted in Iraq, and Iraqi-issued bank cards can be used internationally. This marks a significant step toward financial inclusion and connectivity, making it easier for businesses, tourists, and investors to conduct transactions in the country. The central bank has also made strides in expanding financial inclusion. According to recent reports, Iraq's financial inclusion rate has surpassed 40%, meaning that more Iraqis than ever before now have access to banking services. This is a crucial step in reducing reliance on cash transactions and encouraging digital payments, which can help combat corruption and improve economic efficiency. As Iraq continues to integrate with the global financial system, the country is becoming a more attractive destination for foreign investment. International businesses are more likely to invest in a market with modernized banking services, streamlined transactions, and increased financial transparency. These factors could contribute to greater economic stability and potentially a stronger Iraqi dinar. Iraq's growing gold reserves and economic stability. Another important development in Iraq's financial strategy is the country's increasing gold reserves. According to the Central Bank of Iraq, Iraq's gold reserves grew by an impressive 45.1% in the fourth quarter of 2024 compared to the same period in 2023. To put this into perspective, Iraq's gold reserves increased from 12.29 trillion Iraqi dinars at the end of 2023 to 17.83 trillion Iraqi dinars in early 2024. This demonstrates a strong commitment to economic stability and financial security. Many central banks around the world have been increasing their gold reserves to hedge against economic downturns and geopolitical uncertainties, and Iraq is following this trend. By strengthening its gold holdings, Iraq is positioning itself to protect its financial system against currency fluctuations, inflation, and external economic pressures. In fact, the World Gold Council recently reported that Iraq ranked first among Arab nations and seventh globally in gold purchases in 2024. Iraq's total gold reserves now stand at 152 tons, a significant achievement that underscores the country's commitment to building a solid financial foundation. Gold market trends in Iraq. Gold prices in Iraq have been rising, reflecting global trends. In Baghdad's wholesale markets, the price of 21-carat Turkish and European gold has climbed to 650,000 Iraqi dinars per gram, with a buying price of 610,000 Iraqi dinars. Meanwhile, locally produced 21-carat gold is selling for approximately 575,000 Iraqi dinars per gram. In Erbil, the price of 24-carat gold has reached 697,000 Iraqi dinars per gram, with prices for 22-carat, 21-carat, and 18-carat gold also increasing. These trends suggest that gold remains a key asset for investors looking to preserve wealth and hedge against economic uncertainty. As Iraq continues to boost its gold reserves, this could play a crucial role in stabilizing the national economy and supporting the Iraqi dinar. Conclusion: what lies ahead for Iraq's financial future? Iraq's recent financial developments indicate that the country is making substantial progress in modernizing its banking sector, increasing financial inclusion, and strengthening its economic foundation. The integration of Iraq's banking system into global financial networks, the expansion of gold reserves, and the resumption of Kurdistan's oil exports are all significant steps toward long-term economic stability. While speculation about a revaluation of the Iraqi dinar continues, it is important to remain cautious and informed. Revaluation is a complex process influenced by economic, political, and global financial factors, and there is no guarantee that it will happen in the near future. For those holding Iraqi dinars, keeping track of financial trends and policy decisions will be essential in determining how these developments might impact the currency's value. Iraq is on a promising path toward a more stable and resilient financial system, and if this momentum continues, the Iraqi dinar could gradually strengthen over time. Staying informed about these changes is key to understanding Iraq's evolving financial landscape and making well-informed investment decisions in the months and years ahead.